Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. The most powerful superfoods out there, chia seeds. These in heart and so much more. If you're trying to lose weight, get glowing skin, right into 10 amazing health benefits. Chia seeds may be small, but they are nutritional powerhouses. Just 2 tablespoons give you 10 grams of fiber, 4 grams of protein, a great dose of omega-3s, plus calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and powerful antioxidants. All of that without any processing, just pure, natural superfood. Trying to shed a few pounds? Chia seeds can help. Thanks to their high fiber content, they help keep you full longer and reduce unnecessary snacking. When soaked in water, they expand and form a gel, which slows down digestion and keeps you satisfied. Perfect for managing hunger and boosting metabolism. Omega-3s aren't just found in fish. Chia seeds are one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats reduce inflammation, support brain function, and most importantly, keep your heart healthy by managing cholesterol levels. Thanks to all that fiber, chia seeds are amazing for your gut. They promote healthy digestion, relieve constipation, and help feed the good bacteria in your intestines. A happy gut means a healthier, stronger body overall. Fun fact, ancient Aztec warriors used to eat chia seeds before heading into battle. The word chia actually means strength in the Mayan language. These seeds give you long-lasting energy, making them great for workouts, long days, or whenever you need a natural stamina boost. Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants, which help fight free radicals, the culprits behind aging, wrinkles, and dull skin. Plus, the omega-3s help keep your skin hydrated and radiant from the inside out. Some people even use chia seed face masks for a natural glow. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds give you about 18% of your daily calcium needs, plus phosphorus and magnesium. That's a triple threat for strong bones and teeth, especially great for people who don't consume a lot of dairy. Chia seeds can slow down how your body absorbs sugar. This helps prevent spikes in blood sugar after meals, which is great for people managing diabetes or insulin resistance. Just be sure to talk to your healthcare provider if you're making changes to your diet. Want to stay sharp and focused? The omega-3s in chia seeds don't just help your heart, they support brain health too. They can improve memory, concentration, and even help stabilize mood. Brain food at its best. Last but not least, chia seeds are fantastic for your heart. They help lower bad cholesterol, raise good cholesterol, reduce blood pressure, and fight inflammation. That means less stress on your heart and a reduced risk of heart disease. Okay, so now you know chia seeds are amazing, but how do you actually eat them? Here are some easy ways. Soaked overnight to make chia pudding, mixed into smoothies, added to oatmeal or yogurt, sprinkled on top of salads or cereal, stirred into lemon water or detox drinks. Pro tip, always soak your chia seeds before eating. They absorb water and expand, and eating them dry can cause digestive discomfort. And there you have it, 10 amazing health benefits of chia seeds, a tiny seed with big impact on your health. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more natural health tips, and share this with someone who's looking to level up their wellness journey. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video.